Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Ecwid with WordPress, so let's get right into it. Now for this, there is an official Ecwid integration into WordPress, and you can freely use it if you have a WordPress subscription for the business plan and up, and I'll be showing you guys exactly where to find it. Now, I'm using the free version. However, now that I'm on my dashboard, to find that plugin to actually start integrating this, I need to go into plugins, go into the marketplace, and from here, you're just going to search for Ecwid. Again, there is an official Ecwid integration made by Ecwid themselves, as you can see, and it is a free integration. However, as I mentioned, you do need to have a WordPress premium plan, and using this, once you download it and activate it, you will be able to use all of the features that are available. You can automatically set up shipping and taxes, sell on Facebook and Instagram, you can sell on mobile applications, and you have unlimited storage, automatic backups, and seamless upgrades, etc., etc. As you can see, there are a lot of features in this integration, and of course, you can do whatever it is you want on Ecwid, and I'm pretty sure that that's automatically gonna be connected through the application or through the plugin. And of course, once you activate it, you will need to connect and log into your account through WordPress to make sure that it is you. And that is pretty much all there is to it. It is as simple as that, really. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.